If you're pricing an Interlock right now, the fee you were quoted is not what you're going to pay. I'm going to show you where that money goes using their own published prices. So let's do year one, honestly. Traditional program, roughly $1,000 to $2,000. And that's the plan going perfectly. Lease agreements include fees nobody reads. Lockouts can run $50 to $75. Drivers underestimate total cost by 40%. The bill is everything else. Here's the thing, this isn't a scam. It's a business model. Traditional providers run networks of physical service centers. The equipment is leased, so you're renting forever. But what if you do have a choice? Driven by Safety builds voluntary DUI prevention. Here is our entire cost structure. The hardware is $298. The service is $17.99 a month. One thing I want to be straight about. If a court requires you to install an Interlock, that's a legal mandate. SOBRDRIVE is not a substitute for it. Our technology is for the millions of people who never want to be in that courtroom in the first place. If protecting yourself or your kid is your choice and not a court's, you shouldn't have to pay court program prices. Everything's at SOBRDRIVE.com, link in the description. And if you've been through a traditional Interlock program, tell me in the comments what your real total came to. I read every one.